Let's do some EFT tapping together to help you connect to a positive feeling, intention for the rest of your day. So let's go to the side of the hand, repeat after me. Say, I choose today to allow myself to feel connection, positivity, inspiration, whatever it is I want to feel today. Whether there's a specific intention or not, I allow myself to feel more of what I want to feel in an organic and natural way. And I choose to honor and accept myself and my process. And even though there may be moments today where things happen I don't prefer, where I find myself in patterns of judgment or resistance, I recognize this is okay and part of the process. I allow myself to become more conscious of these moments and to relax and let go when it happens. And I have compassion for myself and how this moves. And today I allow myself to feel more connected, to notice more of the things that make me happy, and to set my intention. Whether that's something specific I want to create, or to simply feel more of what I know I want to feel. And I allow myself for this process to be simple and natural for me. Okay, let's go through the points now and say, allowing myself to connect to whatever it is I want to feel more of today. Allowing myself to recognize that whatever it is I want to feel, that the feeling itself lives in me. And I'm intending to connect with that today. And if there's anything specific I want to create, I'm allowing myself to hold that in mind without forcing it, without grasping at positive emotions, or trying to push away negative ones. I'm just allowing myself to connect more and more to what I want to feel and experience today. Allowing that to ingrain more and more deeply into my system. Allowing that intention, whether I see it specifically, or it's just more of a feeling I want to experience. I'm allowing that to be increasingly clear, increasingly easy to access today. And I will have compassion for myself, however my emotions move today. Trusting myself and the process. And knowing I have the right to feel more good feelings. And I have the right to experience more of what I want to. Just allowing myself to enjoy this today. Okay, let's take a breath. I hope that supports you. Let me know and repeat as necessary to help this ingrain. And remember, you do deserve to feel more good feelings and intentions. Don't stress if you don't have a super clear visual or anything like that. Just set the intention, keep moving, things will unfold. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.